Hello and welcome guys. So today in this lecture we will learn about the do while loop. In the last two lectures we have seen the examples for the for loop and while loop. So C++ do while loop is used to iterate a part of the program several number of times. If the number of iterations is not fixed and you must have to execute the loop at least for the one time, then we can use the do while loop. So do while loop is executed at least once because the condition is checked after the loop body. We'll learn about this with the example. So for the do while loop, our first example will be int I is equal to 1. Okay, then do cout I endl. Okay, now endl. अरे मम्मी लावून घे, तुला बोललो, तुला दरवाजामध्ये बोलत बसलीस तू. दरवाजात बोलू नका. The example for the do while loop will be like int I is equal to 1, do cout I endl, and the value of I will be incremented. Now we will declare over here as a while condition, that is while I is less than or equal to 10. So what we were doing in the last two loops, we were declaring the condition in the start of the loop only, but in do while loop it is checked at the end of the loop. Okay, so whenever I run the program, the value of I will be 1, so it will be go inside the loop, check I plus plus. Okay, so it will not be printed. Okay, until and unless the condition becomes true. Now i's value will be printed as 1, then I plus plus I becomes 2, while I is less than or equal to 10. So initially our value was I is less than 10. Okay, so this loop was executed and it will be printed the value of I as a 1. So similarly, it will check the next condition at the end of the loop. Okay, so this is the execution of the do while loop. So the condition will be executed at the end of the loop. So if I run the program, I will get the output as a 1 to 10 only. Okay, now we will check for the nested while do while loop. So if you use do while loop inside another do while loop, it is known as the nested do while loop. The nested do while loop is executed fully for each outer do while loop. Okay, like the previous two loops. So for this, we'll get it as 3 only, like the previous example, because output issues. Int j is equal to 1 and do cout I. This will add the space in output, j and l. Okay, then j plus plus. Okay, now while j is less than or equal to 3, and here I plus plus semicolon, here also semicolon. Okay, so what it will do, it will initially enter in the loop when the I is equal to 1. So there is another loop int j is equal to 1. So it will go and keep this output in the buffer. Okay, then check the value for j, that is 1 is less than 3. Okay, then the value of this will be printed as a 1 and 1 like the previous outputs. Okay, the logic will be same, just the difference is that the condition has been checked at the end of the while loop. Okay, so whenever I run the program, I will get the output as 1 1 1 2 1 3 likewise. ठीक है, so that's it for the today, guys. We will learn about the next topic as mm, that's it for today, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.